help you to prepare the. So let's understand how the platform will help you to prepare the entire course with a very good learning outcome. So the step 1 is sign up. So if you click on the sign up page, you will find sign in, sign up. If you already sign in, so write down your email ID and password. But if you are new, just click on the sign up free. So once you click on this link, this page will open. You have to select the teacher tab, write your full name, email address, password, and create account as a teacher. When you click on the create account as a teacher, you will get a page where you are say that verify your email. Let's say I have added support@MyClass24. You have to write down your email ID. Check your email ID. You get a verification code. Write down this verification code. Once you verify the code, you will land to this page. And this page is very important because it consists of 5 tabs. And you have to fill the 5 tabs very carefully. So first, basic info, you already submitted your name, your email ID, your phone number. Click on the continue, you will land to the professional. So you have to write down each and everything about your qualification, your journey. And this is important, the reason behind that, it will be displayed in the front like this. Dr. Pawan Kasu has MSc, PhD. So here the academic qualification will be reflected in this part. And their experience, whatever you are writing in the professional, will be available in this part. And in the professional journey, you have to write about yourself. That will be available in this part. And then review. So write down, then continue. Once you click on fill all these 5 points and continue, the step 1 is complete. Your profile is under review. You will get this message. And once everything is fine, from the backend, the MyClass24 team will review your profile and approve it. Once you get the approval, now you will land to prepare your course page, and this is your dashboard. This dashboard is very important, and you will create the entire course from this dashboard. So in the left hand side, you can see dashboard, course, student, analytics, and your name here and setting. So the first thing is that your name will be displayed here, and you have to upload your profile picture so that on front your profile picture will be displayed to the student. And right now, because this is new, there is nothing. So you need to first click on new course tab. Once you click on the new course tab, this page will open. You can see there are 2 important tabs will be displayed on the screen. First is course detail and second is curriculum. So I will teach you first about the course detail, then I will move to the curriculum. So in the course detail, you can see there is a course title, subtitle, category, price, tags. So you can customize all these things. So what are these? So for example, in the course title, if you see the course title, so this course title, and let's go ahead with the entire visualization. So it is a long page having much more details about your course and all these things. So I will give you one by one brief idea that what need to be posted and where it is applicable. So just let's start with the course title. So this is a course title. So if you see the front, this course name is Organic Reaction Mechanism Masterclass for 7 Days Perfection. So bold and black, this is written here. The detail about the 2 to 3 lines, this is subtitle will be written here. And there is a tag, right? So these tags will be displayed in the front. This will be written here. Price, what is the course price? Original price, let's say 500, and that is a discounted prices 200. So just like 200 and 500. And category is J, NEET, class 11th, class 8, class 9, math, science, whatever the category you want, you can fill in this area. Now come to profile, this part. When you scroll down from the description, there is an upload image. This image you see in the front of the course, this image is this one. So just write and paste your, if you are uploading from YouTube, just paste the YouTube URL here. You will display the image. Now this is a course detail page. So how this course detail page will work, let's say, whatever you are writing in this course detail page, you can see in the front, these part, the light yellow part is the course detail which you are going to write here. So prepare course detail very carefully so that everything will be displayed here. Now, coming up to second part, that is curriculum. So I taught you about the course detail, how to fill. Now let's talk about the curriculum. Once you click on the curriculum, this page will open. So add content and day one, all these things. So you can click on the add day. So day one will be visible here like this. So in the day one, I'm deleting this, adding day one first, then add content. So you will display 3-part: video, PDF, MCQ. So let's say video. So video is a starter note, lecture, practice, solution. I am selected lecture note. So I will write here lecture note. I will upload one PDF. How much time I need to solve this lecture? 30 minutes. So add to course. Now it is added. Now I can change this name also by edit part, or I can add. So let's say this is a lecture note, day 1, task 1. So let's write task 1. That means we are saying student to this that this is a task 1 of theory part of the topic name. Let's say you have graduation or the notes, whatever the topic is, and again you have to change save. Similarly, click on again MCQ. How to apply MCQ? So this is a task 2, let's say. Based on your requirement, you can change task 2 MCQ based questions. Now you have to add MCQ on this. Suppose this is day 1. So here question number 1. Don't write the question number 1 here. I am giving an example that question number 1. Write your question only. So let's say the question is ABC. Options A, B, C and D will be filled up. Then explanation part. Write down the small explanation of this MCQ here. This is the question part. This is the option part. And let's say the answer is C. So just click on C. So this is the correct answer. So if you want to put the image, you click on this. You can select the image from here. The image will appear in this part. You can select image on all 4 parts if required. Then add question. This is the question number 2. So I'm writing only one question. Add to course. Add to course. Now you can see one question I have added. You can add 15 question, 20 question, 30 question depending on that. Similarly, day 2. Now start with day 2. Now day 1 introduction, you need to write something else. That day 1 I'm going to teach certain topic covered. Let's say the name of the topic is XXX. Similarly, in day 2, you need to write day 2 like this. You can prepare. And then you prepare for submit to review. So once it is submit to review, it will go to the backend team. They will see whether everything is fine. Once it is reviewed, the course will be live. So this simple step you need to prepare. The most important thing in this course detail is how the course architect is designed by you. Once the architect is good, everything will come out very well and having a maximum learning outcome. Thank you for watching this video.